Discover how 3D printing is shaping the future of cost-effective footwear. 1. Reduced waste. By using only the exact materials needed, 3D printing eliminates excess, cutting production costs significantly. 2. On-demand manufacturing. Shoes are produced as needed, reducing inventory storage costs and minimizing overproduction. 3. Streamlined processes. Automation simplifies manufacturing, reducing labor expenses without sacrificing quality. 4. Affordable customization. Advanced technology makes tailored designs more accessible, combining unique fit with economic efficiency. Step into innovation and savings today at 3dshoes.com.